Team size might sound like a small detail, but it actually affects your printing cost, your cover layout, and how your book feels in someone's hands. And if you pick the wrong one, you might have to redo everything later. So let me show you how to choose the right trim size from the very start. Start by going to your KDP bookshelf and clicking Create Paperback. When you reach the paperback content section, scroll down to trim size. You will see more than 15 options here, but not all of them are beginner friendly. Some are marked standard, while others are non-standard, which can limit expanded distribution. And watch out for similar looking sizes like 6 by 9 and 5.83 by 8.27. Those tiny differences can affect your layout, margins, or even your cost. Here are a few popular trim sizes and when to use them. 6 by 9 is best for nonfiction, journals, planners, or general use. Then we have 8.5 by 11. This one is great for activity books, workbooks, or kids' books. And then we have 8.5 by 8.5. This one is square and modern. This one is great for visual books or Instagram style content. Avoid non-standard sizes unless you know what you are doing. They can mess with distribution or print quality. Now, once you have picked a trim size, tools like BookBolt make it easy to design your entire book around it. Your interior and cover will match up perfectly. So deciding early helps you avoid wasted time later. Also, if you want to preview how your trim size affects your margins, you can go to kdp.amazon.com/cover-templates. You can download a free size-specific guide which is super helpful for double-checking spacing when designing on your own. But if you would rather skip manual design altogether, I personally recommend BookBolt. It sizes everything for you based on your trim size, no templates, no guessing. I'll link it below so you can try it out and start designing the right way.